Hi, this is Neerav from Testship. I'll walk you through how to use Testship and the architecture behind it. So this is a simple voting program, and next we need to run the syntax command. It will look for the ideal file in root location. We need to select program here, and it will serve that ideal through a Tiny Express server. The React application will fetch and parse this ideal and extract all the instructions along with the dependencies. Next, we need to select the instruction that we want to test. We'll select initialize pool and fill in all the details. Next, we need to add poll start timestamp. So this is basically Unix timestamp for date time. So this kind of commonly used input values, we have added this utility tools. We can select timestamp that we want to set here. Select the end time. As you can see here, the PDAs are automatically calculated. You can manually refresh them. And this is the connected wallet as a poll authority. You can run the instruction, and it will ask for wallet to sign. And as you can see here, the transaction is successful. You can validate it on Explorer. The next feature is client-side session sharing. Here you can select a local URL or URL of a hosted application. Or if you're self-hosting, you can add a custom URL here. So we'll select this and copy this URL at the recipient's end, and you can see all the filled in values along with the ideal loaded. Now what we'll do is I'll shut down the server. Now it's closed. Now we'll go back to our local application and reload it. You can see that the server is closed now. But when you refresh this loaded app, you can see all the instructions, all the IDL data that is still there. The reason behind this is that we are loading complete app session into URL, and this is completely client side. All the data that's after hash fragment doesn't get sent to server. This means we can bypass server limits on URL length, and this allows us to add complete application straight into URL. Next, I'll show you architecture of Testship. So when developer runs npx command on terminal, the CLI looks for all the ideals. Once you select the program, it opens up a Tiny Express server and serves the ideal to one of its API endpoints. The React application loads interactive form, fill in the values, and then run the transaction. Next is client-side session sharing. You can click on share button. It will serialize the app state into JSON, then compresses state using LZ compression. That compressed data is encoded using base64 for URL save string. When the recipient opens the URL, it fetches that data after the hash fragment and then syncs application state using this data. And that is how you can share a complete test session completely on client side. During development of Testship, we faced two technical challenges. One was to share complete application state through URL without using any remote server. And second challenge was automatic derivation of complex PDAs that depend on other programs' attribute. So this was Testship, and this is how you can go from terminal to test a transaction in seconds. Thank you.